our company. Firstly, I am Lily. I am Lily from Doing Holdings in China. Our office in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, Zhengzhou City, and our factory is in Jiaozuo City. So welcome. If you can visit China, welcome you visit our factory also. Yes, we are in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province. And our factory process cassava processing machines. Include the garri processing machine, cassava flour, cassava starch, and cassava chips machines. So this live streaming will mainly show about cassava garri processing. Yes, garri processing machines. Because recently in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria, garri processing is very, very popular. And every day we have many customers consulted garri machines. And yes. So if you also interested to set up a garri processing machine in your local, maybe in Nigeria or other West Africa countries, welcome send inquiry to us. And currently we also have Nigeria office. Yes, we have Nigeria office. We are in Lagos State. Lagos State. And we also welcome you visit if you have time. Okay. So today live streaming will divide to different parts. The firstly is our company introduction. And then I will start to introduce garri processing machines, how to use machine to process garri, and what is their advantage. Yes, machine processing advantage and different capacity. So if you have idea to set up a garri line, you can tell us your capacity. Or what you want to learn. Maybe the workshop size, and maybe the cassava plantation land. So you all can send any questions. You can send inquiry to us. Our project manager will contact you. Yes, as soon as possible, and then provide professional advice. So firstly, let us learn our company firstly. Yes, firstly, let us learn our company. Our company. Okay, so our head office we call the Doing Holdings. Yes, head office we call the Doing Holdings, and our subsidiaries called Henan Jinrui Food Engineering, and we mainly process cassava processing machines. So these are different parts. Firstly is our company introduction. Our company, Doing Holdings, we set up from 2011, and in the beginning, we are trading company. We are trading company to do the trading. To do tradings, and then until 2016, we set up our own factory and to start manufacture different machines. So currently we have different subsidiaries. And we have two kinds of machines. One is for the environmental machines like the waste tire recycling machine and the waste plastic recycling machine. So this is the environmental machine. Another is for the food processing machine. Food processing machine include oil processing. For example, palm oil. Palm oil processing machine. Peanuts or other vegetable oil processing machines. And another is for the cassava processing machines. Starch. Starch processing machines include cassava starch, potato starch, sweet potato starch. And also include the cassava relative, like the garri, flour, chips. These machines manufacture. And now we also have office in Nigeria, Lagos. Our branch office in Nigeria, Lagos. And so if you are interested to set up a cassava factory in your local, welcome you visit China, or you also can visit our Nigeria office. And this is our factory. The background picture is our factory. So if you visit China, we can show you to we can take you to see our factory and to see our different machines. And this is the new area. New factory. Okay, so this is our company structure. This is for us, for our subsidiaries, mainly to process starch. Starch machines. Starch machines include cassava starch, potato starch, and sweet potato starch. Also include the garri, flour, and the chips machines manufacturing. And these are our project pictures and customer visiting pictures. The first and the second picture was we did in Tanzania. Or cassava flour. A cassava flour processing line. Okay. Yes, welcome, Mr. Devon. Right, Mr. Devon? Yes, good morning. Okay, good morning from Nigeria. Yes, now it's in China, it's afternoon. Nice to meet you here. Yes. Good. Which state you are from? We have office in Lagos. Lagos state. Okay, and so let's go on. The first and the second picture was our Tanzania cassava flour processing line, and our engineer, my colleague, and our engineer stayed in Tanzania 3 months to guide installation. And the third and the fourth picture. The third picture is our customer visiting Nigeria customer visiting our factory, and the last picture is our Nigeria office. The last picture is our Nigeria office. So if you have interested set up a cassava product in your local, welcome you send inquiry to us. Okay, let's go on. Okay, let's go on. This is another subsidiary, mainly for the edible oil processing, include the palm oil and other vegetable oil processing. And this This one is the environmental machine, waste tire recycling. Yes, waste tire recycling. In Africa, we also have many customers like Ghana, Tanzania, yes, and Zambia, yes. So I have this customer ordered the waste tire recycling machines. And this is the metal and plastic separating machine, another recycling. This is the certification, yeah, in our factory. Some national patents, yes, technical patents. And these are factory machining equipment like the laser or the cutting, the blending, these machines. So you can see different machines was made by this big scale machining equipment. So if you are when you visit China factory, you can see this different big equipment in our factory. And this is our factory, yes, workshop inside. Okay, so next part is our team. This is our boss, Mr. John. Yes, Mr. John. Our boss worked in Alibaba before, and then from 2011, he set up our company. Yeah, he started to do own business. And this is our different team, different sales team. Also include our Nigeria office, Nigeria branch colleague. And this one is our domestic sales department. They mainly responsible for in China market selling. And this is our e-commerce and IT department, e-commerce and IT department. This is part of engineers, yes, our technical team, engineers, because in a large and complete cassava project, there has different engineers to responsible different part. For example, we have a machine engineer, and then the electrical engineer and the processing engineer. Processing engineer mainly responsible for the technical part. Yes, technical part. And they will design drawings, design the processing drawings, design the workshop layout drawings, and electrical engineer will design the control cabinet and different pipes like this, the drawings. This is our workers, yeah, factory workers. So the third part is our project cases. This is what we did, whatever in China or in Africa or in the Southeast Asia. Okay, yeah, and this is our project cases. Yes, what we did, the some project cases. You can see this one was we did in China, yeah, south of China, or sweet potato starch project, 5 tons per hour, 5 tons sweet potato tubers input per hour. In China, sweet potato and potato has large plantation. Cassava no big area plantation because our temperature, yes, and climate. So sweet potato and potato is large quantity in China. And this one is our potato starch, yeah, potato starch, or 35 tons input per hour. Potato starch. And this was we did in Indonesia, or 12 tons input per hour. cassava starch. Yes, this one is for cassava starch project. And this one we did in Nigeria, or 20 tons input per hour, cassava starch project. And this one is in Tanzania. A cassava flour, 4 tons raw cassava input per hour, cassava flour project. So you see, left picture is their factory inside, their workshop inside, and the right one is the complete factory. This one we did in Congo, Kinshasa, Congo. Yes, Kinshasa, Congo. Or 8 tons input per hour, cassava flour project. And this one we did in Uganda, cassava flour processing machine. These are some customer visiting pictures, and also have our boss visit some customer. Yes, to some Europe countries or some Africa countries. In Africa countries like the Sierra Leone and Nigeria, yes, and Ghana. Our boss will meet some customer. This part is for the delivery, how to deliver machines. And so you can see, firstly, all the spare part will be packaged by the wooden box. Yes, all the spare part will be packaged by wooden box, and then like the complete set machines. Normally we will load the machine in our factory. Yes, our factory can load and mainly use the container to ship by sea. Yes, ship by sea. So firstly we will tell with shipping agent, and then ask them send the container to our factory. Then our workers in factory will load the machines, then transport the container to Qingdao port. Yes, normally we will use Qingdao port to export. So this is the some installation pictures. Okay, so the next part is for the machine introduction. Before I start to show the machine details, let me show you the garri processing video. So you see, this is a complete video about garri processing, how to use machine to process cassava to garri. So let me introduce one by one. This video shows a complete factory, complete workshop. You can see there include many different machines to process fresh cassava tubers to garri. And our machines, whatever garri, flour, or starch or chips, except chips like garri, flour, and starch, we will use fresh cassava tubers. To process different products. So in garri processing mainly include 3 parts. The first is cleaning part, processing part, and then the frying part. So firstly is cleaning part. Like this video shows, you can see, firstly the fresh cassava tubers will be moved to the feeding hopper. Yes, but as you can buy a forklift. Yes, buy a forklift to move cassava from ground to this feeding hopper to do a short time storage. You see, this feeding hopper will put cassava regular on the belt conveyor, and then belt conveyor transport cassava to first cleaning machine. First cleaning machine we called dry sieve machine. This dry sieve machine it used to remove some impurity. For example, some dirty and some little stone and some plastic. Yes, because when you harvest from cassava farm, they will mix some other impurities, maybe some grass, and we mix cassava together. So this dry sieve machine will use to do a simple clean. So you can see when this drum rotary and some impurity will drop down. And next is washing. We call the paddle washing machine. This part will add the water. Water washing. Paddle washing. So after washing, the cleaning part finish. After washing, next procedure is peeling. By this belt conveyor transport to peeling machine. So this is peeling machine to remove the layers. Remove 2 layers. You can see in the bottom there has the residue can collect. There has device can collect cassava layers. So now peeling machine, peeling part finish. After peeling, next to grinding, or we call grating. So this one, or crushing. So this one is the grating machine. It used to cut or crush cassava tubers to the slurry, cassava slurry. Cassava slurry. So you can see the cassava slurry out. And next is fermentation. For fermentation, you can see in this video shows we use bags. Put cassava slurry to such white bags, then put bags on the shelf to fermentation 2 or 3 days. Fermentation for 2 or 3 days. After fermentation, next is to remove the moisture. We use this one, hydraulic pressing machine to remove the moisture. After remove moisture, the moisture content about 40%. So this one, this step, great again, because next is fry, right? After remove moisture, next procedure is frying. So we will break down. After you break down the cassava cake, then it's easy to fry. So this step used to grate. By this crusher, grate cassava cake. And the next enter garri fryer. to fry. So in this video shows 5 fryers. Normally, if you are small scale or if you are small capacity, you want to start from small capacity, normally we will match one garri fryer for you. If you want the bigger capacity, for example, our smallest capacity is 1 ton garri output per day. 1 ton garri output per day. And we will match 1 fryer. If you want 2 tons output per day, we will match 2 fryers for you. And if you want 3 tons garri per day, we will add fryer quantity, and then we will also need to add the grating machine or the hydraulic presser machine quantity to get bigger capacity. So after fry, you can see the garri will be collected by this screw conveyor. And then to this system. Here shows this system was a cooling system. It's used to reduce garri temperature, reduce garri climate after you fry, because garri temperature is high. So this design cooling system used to reduce the temperature, and then you can package. So this is the vibration sieve. Vibration sieve. After reduce the temperature after cooling system, then by the sieving, or sifting to separate the big and small particles. Finally, to package. Like this. Package garri to different size. So this is a complete garri processing video. So you can see there has some almost a same with traditional method, maybe manual processing. But manual processing, the capacity is low, and efficiency low working efficiency. So now more and more people like to use the machines to expand capacity and to improve the working efficiency. So this is complete garri processing. How to use the machine to do garri. You can see the hopper, the cleaning machine, peeling, grinding, pressing, frying, sifting, package. These are main machines in the processing. If you are interested, set up one in your local. You can tell us your capacity plan firstly. Currently in our company, our machine size from the smallest size is 4 tons cassava tubers per day. I mean fresh cassava. 4 tons fresh cassava tubers per day. This is our smallest one. You can get 1 ton garri output. The biggest line is 8 tons cassava tubers per hour. Yes, biggest is 8 tons cassava tubers per hour. So if you have idea, set up one in your local. You need confirm capacity plan firstly, and then we can recommend a suitable machine for you. If you are interested, set up one. You can leave us message, or you can tell us your contact number or email. Then our project manager can contact you. Okay, so after we learning the complete flow chart, then later let us to see every machine details. Yes, every machine details. Okay, so now in this video, so after grinding or after grating, this is fermentation step. Fermentation step. So fermentation will use the white bags and put on the shelf to fermentation 2 or 3 days. After fermentation, next to remove the moisture by this hydraulic pressing machine. Hydraulic pressing machine. After this hydraulic pressing machine, the moisture content about 40%. So next is to grate, yes, or crush, grate cassava cake. Then it will be easy to fry. So this is the garri fryer. So you can see in this video shows 5 garri fryers. That means you can get about 5 tons garri output per day. Yeah, 5 tons garri output per day. After fry, garri will be collected by this screw conveyor. This is the cooling system. Yeah, cooling system to reduce garri temperature. So you see, from the left is warm. Yes, it's the high temperature, and after this one, the right part become blue, right? So that means temperature down. After the cooling system, next is to sifting or sieving to separate big and small particles. Finally, you can get a fine and small particle garri. You can package and then sell to local or export. Okay, so complete processing finish. If you have any questions, yes, you can send message to me. So next part is for the technical. Let us to learn the machine details and machine introduction. This one is cleaning part. Yes, like we said, the hopper, the feeding hopper. It's used to short time storage fresh cassava. Yeah, short time storage fresh cassava. Cassava feeding hopper for short storage of raw cassava and uniform feeding. So the left picture is the hopper. Next is belt conveyor. Transport cassava. After transport, this one is the dry sieve machine. It used to remove cassava, remove the impurity on the cassava surface. For example, you harvest cassava from farm. There has some grass, some stone or other impurities. So this machine can remove the impurities to do a simple cleaning firstly. Called dry sieve. After dry sieve, next is this paddle washing machine. it will wash, yes, wash cassava tubers. Water washing. So after the water washing, next is grating, or we call it grinding. Okay, let us see this flowchart. It's more clear. Okay, yeah, so this is the garri processing technology. You can see from the hopper. You can see from the feeding hopper and belt conveyor, dry sieve, pedal washing. Yeah, it's complete one. So this one is the hopper. Yes, it's used to do short time storage. And this one is the belt conveyor. Okay, good. Belt conveyor. And next, you can see it also belt conveyor. Next, this one, dry sieve. It used to remove some impurities. To do a simple clean on the cassava surface. And this is the pedal washing machine. Pedal washing machine is counter current washing. Yes, the working principle is counter current washing. What's meaning? That means because this pedal washing machine, you need to add water inside, right? So when you put cassava to this machine, the water flow direction is opposite with the cassava move direction. Then it will have better washing effect. So we use this counter current principle. This is the inside, the pedal washing machine inside the structure. You can see the pedals. The machine material is very durable. Yes, durable and very large capacity. Good quality. So, and you can see in the bottom there has many small holes. They used to collect fine sand. And also have the groove it used to collect the stone. After the pedal washing, next is to peeling. Yes, like this, peeling machine. Firstly, we use the sand roller design. Sand roller design has strong friction, and it can have better peeling effect. And this one is the best effect in the market, because in the market there has other different designs, like the plastic roller, but currently we use the sandpaper roller, because sand roller, it has strong friction, especially meet water. Then we will have stronger friction to remove cassava layers, because we all know cassava layers not easy to remove, and it has 2 layers. So this peeling machines, sand roller design, and then you can add spray water system. Then peeling and washing at the same time. Yeah, peeling and washing at the same time to get better effect. So after peeling, next this one is grating machine to crush, right? Yeah, to crush or to grating. It used to grating cassava tubers into mesh. High running speed, low energy consumption, and steady operation. This machine, the max capacity can be 2 tons cassava tubers per hour. And this one, we sell many sets to Africa. It's very good and have good feedback from our customer. It's very durable. You can use long time. But of course, inside there has the roller. After you long time running, the roller is the spare part you need to change to get better grating effect. So after grating, next is fermentation. Yes, fermentation. But after fermentation, like we said, fermentation will do by the package bags. Yeah, by package bags. So after fermentation, next to remove the moisture. Next is remove the moisture by this one. We call it hydraulic pressing machine. Firstly, stainless steel material. Yeah, 304 stainless steel material. Automatic pressing, quick and evenly dewater, saving time and effort. So after dewatering, material moisture about 38% to 40%. It's working used to squeeze. Yes, to squeeze the cassava slurry, then remove the moisture. This is we call hammer mill. It used because after you dewatering, after you this one pressing, you can get cassava cake. So in order to easy fry, we advise customer to grate cassava cake again by this one hammer mill. Break the cassava cake and then easy to dry or easy to fry. This is garri fryer. Yes, this is garri fryer. Firstly, also stainless steel material, and then such fryer has two systems. One is a heating system, another is a steering. Yes, steering system. For the heating system, you can use because the heating system has the burner. Yes, burner. So you can choose the burner like the diesel burner or gas burner. Yes, or electricity one. But in the steer system need electricity definitely. So because in this machine we have some customer will have questions. Currently in our Nigeria office we have diesel one. Yes, we have diesel fryer. But if you want other type like a gas fryer or electricity fryer, you need to import from China. So after garri frying, next is sieving or sifting. Use this vibration sieve. It can separate big and small particles. This high sieving accuracy and high efficiency. The screen sieve is no blocked. After sieving, get uniform and fineness garri finally. And the sieve is lifelong service. And even if you need a change about 5 minutes, you can change the mesh. Yeah, you can change the mesh well. And this one is our control cabinet. We have electrical engineer. It can design the control cabinet for you. So you can see the left one is this picture shows the MCC control cabinet. Just a different brand. Yes. If you have requirement on the control cabinet, you can tell us in advance. Normally we match the Chinese brand. Yes, Chinese brand. We call the Zhengtai. It's also a good brand in Chinese. In China. Okay, so this is the complete machine details. So now let me introduce about our different capacity garri machines, because many customers maybe they have idea and they want to add values on cassava tubers, but they don't have much idea on the capacity, how to choose capacity or how large capacity you want, what capacity we have, like these questions. So you see, like this video shows, this video shows is a complete and large capacity. For example, 2 tons cassava tubers input per hour, or 4 tons cassava tubers input per hour. We will use such. After installation, you will see, like this video shows, the complete processing line. So if you have idea want to do 2 tons or 4 tons or 8 tons raw cassava input per hour, you can reference this video. But the machine price at least will need about $130,000. So you can reference this. Then if you want to start the small scale, maybe 4 tons cassava tubers per day. 4 tons cassava tubers per day. Then you can choose some main machines. No need such full automatic. For example, the main machines will include the peeling machine, grinding machine, hydraulic pressing machine, garri fryer, and vibration sieve. Total 5 machines. This configuration is good for beginner, and like for example, from the peeling to grinding, from peeling machine, how to go to the grinding machine. So you need workers to move cassava from peeling to next grinding machine. Of course, we also call this configuration is half automatic configuration. And in the future, you also can add more and more machines, make your line complete and automatic. So these are, you can choose. You can start from small scale and future expand your capacity, expand your and improve your automatic degree. But of course, if you want if you want to process 8 tons or 10 tons cassava tubers per day, or 20 tons cassava tubers per day, no problem. You can tell us your capacity plan firstly, then we match a suitable machine for you. If you also want the automatic, yes, no problem. Automatic means we add the hopper, add the belt conveyor, add the cleaning machine, washing machine, make your line automatic to and then reduce the labor. Reduce the labor. So this all can negotiate. Yes, but firstly you need to tell us your capacity plan firstly, or you also can tell us your machine budget. Then our project manager can recommend according your capacity or according your machine budget. So if you have any question about our company or about our technical, welcome you send message to us. Currently we have 2 tons input per hour line in Nigeria. Yes, we did it in Nigeria. It's a complete one. So after installation, like the video shows. If you have idea set up project in your local, welcome you send inquiry to us. Our project manager can contact you. If you have idea set up in your local, yes, welcome you send inquiry to us. And you also can visit our office, visit our Nigeria office. Because yesterday and today, I have customer want to visit Nigeria office. Now in Nigeria office we have some small scale garri machines. For example, the peeling machine, the grinding machine, and hydraulic pressing machines. These are available, and you can pick up from Nigeria office directly. Okay, so if you have idea to set up this project in your local, they also have another issue you need to consider is the schedule, the complete schedule. Because we are in China, that means if you decide to import from China, from you order machine, from you pay deposit to us until final delivery, there need about our factory need 1 month or 2 months time to manufacture your machines, and then delivery from China to Africa, mainly to Africa, to whatever West Africa or East Africa. The shipping need about 45 days to 2 months. And then when machine arrive to your port, you also need some time to do customs clearance, right? Yes, to do customs clearance. So from you order machine until you final get machines, the complete will need about 3 or 4 months. So you can arrange and you can decide order machine as early as possible, because like we have customers, they said they want to use machine end of this year. But you know, if you get machine, maybe if you get machine December, right? Yeah, December. You will the customs clearance cost will high, because December you will have holiday at near Christmas Day, and it's not easy to do customs clearance, and the customs clearance cost will higher than before. So you can reference this advice and to arrange your schedule. If you order the large capacity like this one, complete set, such capacity, the machine manufacturing about 2 months, and then shipping 2 months, then also need installation. For guide installation, 2 or 3 months time. If everything goes well in your site, guide installation maybe 1 month can finish. If any delay, it will need about 45 days or 2 months or even longer, 3 months time. Now we have 3 projects. Will installation, yes, will need our engineer to go outside to guide installation. So there's also an issue need to consider. If your order is early, then engineer can guide installation. But if your order is later, that means you need line up. You need a line up until other project finish firstly, and then finally to install your machines. So if you have idea, want to do cassava project, whatever garri, flour, starch or chips, you need to consider this. Consider the complete schedule. So today I mainly introduce about the garri processing and different capacity garri machines. If you have idea or if you want to learn more, welcome you send inquiry to us. And next week we will introduce cassava flour processing machines. If you are interested, you can focus on our website. Yes, we are doing holdings in China. You can Google our company. Our office in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, our factory in Jiaozuo City. So every week we will have the live streaming to introduce different machines. Maybe this week is garri, next week is flour, and then the starch, the chips machines. So if you are interested in our machine, you can focus on our live streaming. And welcome you visit China, visit our office. We can talk more details. If no other question, so today live streaming will finish. And next week we will have cassava flour processing machines introduction. If you are interested, welcome you focus on our website. So if any question you have, you can send inquiry to us. Yes. Welcome you visit China, visit our office. So thank you for your watching. And if any question, if other question you have, you can contact us. Bye. So this live streaming will finish. Bye bye. See you next week.